Your FreshBooks account holds sensitive financial data. Protecting it with just a password is like locking your front door with a key under the mat. You need two-step verification. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This adds a second layer of security. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without also having your phone. To enable it, log into FreshBooks and go to your account settings. Look for the Security section. You should see an option for two-step verification or 2FA. Click to enable it. You'll be guided to link an authenticator app on your phone, like Google Authenticator or Authy, which will generate a unique, time-sensitive code you'll need to log in. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: save your backup codes. When you set up 2FA, FreshBooks will provide you with a set of one-time use backup codes. Print them out or save them in a secure password manager. If you lose your phone, these codes are your only way back in. So, just like that, you've dramatically increased the security of your financial data and can sleep a little easier. Do you use two-step verification for most of your important accounts now? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.